Well, I don't know about anybody, but I just love a nice glass of red wine with my beef. And red wine is a perfect pairing with your beef. You want to go ahead and mix this up and make sure that all the gravy goes in with that white rice. That's what it's all about, the white rice, the gravy, the beef. And taste it now. Yep. This is wonderful. This is what you want to do. The red wine, the beef, it tastes delicious. And it blends in real well with this kind of meal. And you'll find that this is a good pairing right here. But if you don't drink, you can have a nice Pepsi or something with it. It's going to be wonderful. So that's very good. On behalf of Expert Village, thank you for watching.